Welcome back. In this video, we will look at a question related to trigonometric graphs. The question is, on the same axis, sketch the graphs y equal cos theta and y equal minus cos theta. The range is from minus 360 to 360. So first, let's plot y equal cos theta. We have seen this before. This would look like this. It's a typical cosine graph. Let me denote the axis. This is theta and this is y. Now, if you want to get minus 2 cos theta, before we get this one, what we need to do is we need to get y equal minus cos theta. So how can we get minus cos theta? Minus cos theta means just we are flipping this curve about x-axis. So that will look like this. You can see this 1 is become minus 1 and minus 1's become 1. Right? So this is a minus cos theta graph. Now, if you want to get back to the graph for this one, this is minus 2. So we need to multiply this by 2. So when we multiply this by 2, this 1 and 1 become 2. These minus 1's become minus 2. But these points, these are 0. So when you multiply 0 by 2, they will remain same. So the answer would be this one. This is, all these points become 2. These are minus 2. So it's stretch along the y-axis.